Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix security delay required to change the passcode. For example, if you try to change the passcode of your iPhone for anything like screen time or anything else, and you see a kind of error which is as shown. So I am going to show you how error occurs and how you can fix that. For example, if you try to go to the Face ID and passcode, and after that you provide click on here, uh, turn passcode off. If you want to change the passcode, then there is option available, security delay required to change the passcode. So what is written here, security delay is required because stolen device protection is active and iPhone is not at a familiar location. As you can see, because you have turned on the stolen device protection, so if you turn on the stolen device protection and if you want to make change in any security feature, like if you want to change the passcode, then you have to wait for 1 hour. Otherwise you have to change the passcode in at a familiar location, and that is also because you have set the security delay on at a familiar location. But if you have not set, then you will be asked to wait for a security delay to change the passcode. So in this way you can simply done that, but you can also turn off your stolen device protection so that you do not have to wait for some time. But if you want to turn off the stolen device protection, you have to also go through the security delay to change the stolen device protection, as you can see. So how you can fix that? For this you have to simply click on start security delay, and after that you have to set an alarm of 1 hour, and after that at the same time you have to check for turn off stolen device protection option, and your stolen device protection will be turned off, and after that you will be able to change the passcode or turn off the passcode for Face ID and passcode. Moreover, if you want to reset Face ID, you will not be able, because the stolen device protection is also on. So in this way you can simply fix that error, because stolen device protection is on and you will not be able to change the passcode. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.